Hi, my name is Daphne Pellig, and this is Week 8's video journal. So this week's question asked what we would like to learn more about consultation. And for me, I feel like I've learned the in-depth of what a consultant does in terms of kind of being a school counselor and providing the similar services. To me, I feel like what isn't talked about is really how do you get involved in that if you are not hired specifically as a school counselor. How is it that you really get into it based off really what a lot of the comments are from the discussion board and asking if people would want to be a counselor. It seems like a lot of people start off as a counselor before a consultant. And it seems like a great option to take those skills and knowledges that you learn and then become a consultant later. However, to me, it's kind of, if you're working with the same school or those same type of similar kids, but on an outside basis, at what point are you working individually versus working with the school? And so to me, that's something I would like to learn a little bit more, kind of where that boundary is, along with how do you continue to work with children or get your clientele if you're not stealing it from the school. So that's something I would like to learn a little bit more, and what is really the process on how you become a consultant and really start your own business per se.